Alright, les tengo otro video hoy. Ahora técnicamente no va a ser de maquillaje ahora mismo, es relacionado con el maquillaje, and then I'll do a video about the makeup as well, and why the hell that light just got like really bright like that, yo. Tres cosas que no vamos a hablar. No vamos a hablar ni de mi camisa, ni de mis cejas, ni de mi rabo al garete. Alright? Vamos allá. There you go. Yeah. So esto es a collab that MAC did with Puma for their 50-year anniversary for their Puma Suede. Damn, it's hot. For their Puma Suede sneakers or shoes. And the color I got is Lady Danger. This is supposed to be, see, like a lipstick mark, lipstick smear. The color I got is Lady Danger, and the box came in that color. And let's just show you. Now, I order the sneakers directly from the Puma website. I think that the only color that's left is, in fact, Lady Danger. Here you have it. You see this? And then right here it has the MAC and Puma logo. Isn't this so cute? So they came in basically 3 shades. They came in Creme de Nude, Lady Danger, and Sin. Sin is a really beautiful, deep kind of purpley burgundy kind of color. Creme de Nude is a very light nude shade, and Lady Danger is a red orange. So I picked Lady Danger out of all the 3 to order for myself. I know that Creme de Nude was like the first one sold out, and Sin is also sold out, and I think Lady Danger is still left, but alright. So entonces fui a la página de MAC Cosmetics and I went ahead and ordered the actual lipstick Lady Danger. Now they had it for individual sale, is a regular color from their line, but they also had like this lip duo kit which came a lipstick y a lip liner. So I went ahead and ordered that in Lady Danger. It would have been cool, you know, if you can just like directly from the like whole Puma website just kind of like order the bundle, the kicks and the lipstick together. Y esto de, a mí me pareció tan cool que hicieran esos Pumas inspirados en los colores de Lista y de MAC, because I kid you not, yo tengo unas Nike violeta, and I used to wear, when obviously they were brand new, yo me combinaba las tenis Nike violeta con el lipstick de MAC flat out fabulous. So that's kind of cool, and now they did this collab and I just had to have one color. So I'm gonna show you. El lápiz que vino con el kit es Red by MAC. Me encantan los delineadores de labio de MAC. Son very creamy, very easy to blend if you want to kind of do like any kind of ombre or lip style, just give definition to your lips. I really love this formula. It's, you know, one of the most popular formulas. Y este es el Listi Lady Danger. Look at that. Now, yo no era fan de usar colores naranja en mis maquillajes. I didn't think it looked good with my skin tone, but you know, working for our cosmetic line and kind of like playing in makeup and this whole, you know, beauty community, and it makes you explore more. So Lady Danger it is. I'm gonna wear this. Most likely I will do a makeup look with this lipstick combo. and obviously complimentary to wear with the sneakers. Now let's just look at that. That is another thing I want to also do soon is that I got some of the Kim K lipsticks and the lip pencil as well, and so I also ordered their brightening powder from the previous collection too. I kind of want to do a look with this too, so I'll be in between doing a red orange look with Lady Danger and then also a Kim KW Beauty look with some of their new shades. I didn't order all of them, girl, okay? And also I was thinking, no es super nuevo ni super creativo, pero it's a little, you know, to me it's fun and it's challenging and almost in a way, hacer una serie de videos de makeup looks, right? Esto estamos hablando en el proceso, we're just starting, de cada color. Como que I kind of me inspiré off of starting with the red orange from the Puma x MAC. So like a red orange look, a red look, a blue look, a green look, a pink look. I love pink. And yeah, so vamos allá en los próximos videos. See ya the next time.